Hi guys, this is really my first time to cook kinamatisang pork. Mamoy. Yan. Kamatis, ang daming kamatis. Yan. Liempo and spare ribs ang aking ginawa. Yan, kita nyo ba? Yan. Madaming sibuyas dahon. Okay na. Okay na guys. Ayan. Okay. Okay na to. Ayan. Meron pang tirang sibuyas. Ayan. Madami mas masarap. Ayan. Soon, I'm gonna share my recipe. May ganon. Bye guys! Picture natin pang photo.